Hello natural beauties, thank you for tuning in. Many of us wear headbands. Headbands is kind of a part of the natural hair journey. I have spent a lot of money on headbands over the years, but there are always issues with headbands for me. They're either too loose or they're too tight or they're not comfortable, or there's just always some issue with them, or they stretch out too quickly and I have to continuously be buying headbands. Of course, you know, they're great for when we want to do high puffs or buns or certain styles where we put our hair up. Today I'm going to show you how to make a headband from your bra strap. So I suggest that you use an old bra or a bra that you don't have use for anymore, or you don't even need the straps. Like for me personally, okay, I'm gonna show you one that I have. This one is my black one. I've had this since I did my my lock chop. It has been 1 year and 7 months since I did my lock chop, so that's how long I've had this, and it still has stretch in it, and yeah, it works just fine, and I can adjust it for how tight I want it. I can adjust it just like you would adjust this strap for your bra. You can adjust it like that, or I can, you know, loosen it as, you know, make it as loose as I want it. And that's great for me because there are some days when I do a really tight hairstyle and then I want to loosen it up. My head gets, you know, there's tension, or if I get a headache, or for whatever reason I just feel like I want to loosen it, I can. And it's black. You can do it in different colors. I'm going to show you some different colors today. This is actually from a strapless bra. It's easier to do if you have a strapless bra. Most of my strapless bras, I really don't use the straps anyway. It's the straps that come with them. You can also use the other bras, the regular bras. Depends on which ones. There are some specific ones that you would have to use. It would have to be a certain way for you to be able to use the straps from a regular bra. But I'm going to show you that today, how you can do that as well. So here I'm going to show you how it's done with the strapless bra straps. So you have two ends. You have two ends where you have the hooks. What I do is I put the hook in on both ends. So I put it in here, and then I do it on the other side as well. Secure it, and that's it. There. I'm gonna show you another one from another strapless bra that I have. This one is a white one and it has two silver hooks at the ends, and it's simple. You just put this in here, put the hook in on this end, and then do the same thing on the other end, and that's it. You have a headband. Ooh, this one is good. I like how that one's, yeah. That's 3 headbands now that I have from strapless bras. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I have an old bra here, and I'm going to show you how you can make them from regular bras. They have to be the bras that have the straps like this, that are adjustable, right? And you have an end here. You have this piece here. You have what you call this? I don't know what they call this, but this part here is necessary. Okay, so I'm going to cut this end. Cut this end. So here we have this bra strap that I've cut off from a regular bra, right? It's kind of short. This is not going to give me a lot of room for adjusting the strap. What I'm going to do is put this end to here and then simply sew it together here. You don't have to be no professional at sewing. I'm not. I just know how to make two ends stay together. That's what I'm going to do. Make sure I secure it tight enough so that it doesn't get loose. There you have it. Not perfect, but still it's on there tight enough that it won't open. As I said before, this is a short bra strap, so it won't give me a lot of room for adjustment. But I'm going to try them on today and show you how they work. Okay, this is the one that I sewed, and I'm gonna adjust it a little bit more. So if I put it on and I want it tighter, then I'll just adjust it. It fits just fine. And there we go. Right. And it's quite loose and comfortable. So if I want it tighter, I can adjust it. I can adjust it here. And make it tighter. And there. That's the one that I sewed. Of course, you're gonna need some bra straps that have like good stretch. This one, I think this was a VS bra. Generally, VS bras have nice stretch in it. This one I know is going to give me a nice hold because it has a lot of stretch. So if I want my edges to be real sleek, the tighter I do it. Auntie. So let's put it over now. And there we go. Push it back. Push it back. And we're good to go. Let me do the black one. This is the one that I've had for some time now. Now I have 4. And all I've been using all along is 1. But it doesn't hurt to have options. Right? Remember to use the side. Use the side where the hook isn't open, because if the hook is open, if you put it on the inside, it will tug at your hair. So just make sure it's on the outside. You won't have any problems with you won't have any other issues with tugging on your hair, because I'm telling you, it's super comfortable. It's very comfortable. And that's what I look for in hairbands. I cannot stand when I have a headache. I cannot stand when I actually feel like there is something on my head or around my head. I don't really want to pay much attention to it. Unless it's one of those days where I'm just like, okay, I require pain, I require beauty, and it doesn't matter the amount of pain, then yes, but otherwise, no. So, there you have it. The black one is in. This is the one I wear all the time. And edge is sleek, not too tight, it's comfortable, and I get my edges, everything is in. You can, if you want to, you can do it tighter if you want a smaller puff. My hair is not that long, so I can't get it. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's it for my how-to video, how to make your own headband using a bra strap. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you will try it out, because believe me, This is better than all of the headbands that are on the market right now. You won't get it better than this. And you can make it yourself from bras that you already have, bras that you have no use for, that you're throwing out or whatever. Thanks for watching and take care. Bye.